Outdoor camping gear and gadgets serve as indispensable components for a rewarding and delightful camping adventure. These meticulously crafted tools and equipment are tailored to elevate safety, comfort, and convenience during your exploration of the vast wilderness. In this video, we'll introduce you to the finest 5 camping gear and gadgets that are guaranteed to leave you in awe. Let's explore the Haven Safari Hammock, which offers an equally delightful pathway to elevated outdoor comfort and relaxation. This innovative hammock represents a game-changing addition, thanks to its flat, open sleeping platform. It's perfectly suited for stargazing or catching a quick nap amidst the beauty of nature. To enhance your sleeping experience, it comes complete with a lounge strap. Constructed from robust 300 deep polyester canvas and boasting 4,000 mm waterproofing, the Haven Safari Hammock is built to endure the elements, assuring its companionship on numerous adventures to come. But its appeal doesn't end there. It's brimming with practical features, such as 6 spacious pockets with built-in organizers for added storage, keeping your essentials conveniently within arm's reach. With a choice of 4 stylish colors: sand, southwest, canopy camo, and canopy, you can select the one that perfectly aligns with your outdoor aesthetic. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, hiking adventure, or simply seeking a tranquil respite in your backyard, this hammock promises unparalleled comfort regardless of the scenario. We introduce the VO Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa Chair, a must-have for all adventure enthusiasts. This portable and waterproof couch is tailor-made for activities like hiking, picnics, and all your outdoor escapades. Setting it up is a breeze, no pump is required. Simply trap the air inside and close the sleeve opening, and you're ready to go. What sets this lounger apart is its distinctive pillow-shaped design, providing additional comfort and support for your head and neck. It remains inflated for an impressive 5 to 6 hours, ensuring you can luxuriate in hours of relaxation. The VO Inflatable Lounger comes complete with a carry bag for effortless transportation, stakes to secure it in place on windy days, and even a bottle opener, a thoughtful addition for outdoor enthusiasts. Without a doubt, the VO Inflatable Lounger adds a touch of luxury to your outdoor experiences. On our list, we introduce the Kea Kit, a complete survival system designed to handle unforeseen emergencies. This survival kit is available in 2 models, the Kea Kit Go and the Kea Kit XL. The Kea Kit Go is a compact survival kit case that allows you to efficiently pack and organize all your essential safety and survival gear. It equips you for a wide range of emergency situations with its basic medical pack, advanced medical pack, fire starting pack, and gear repair pack. It's essentially a personal survival arsenal, compactly organized for your convenience. On the other hand, the Kea Kit XL offers even more storage space, accommodating essential safety and survival gear and tools for a team. Similar to the Kea Kit Go, it includes all the fundamental items needed to handle emergencies effectively. With these well-thought-out and comprehensive kits at your disposal, you can experience peace of mind, knowing that you are fully prepared to respond to critical situations. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an avid camper, or simply value being prepared for the unexpected, the Kea Kit is an excellent choice to ensure you have the necessary tools and supplies readily available when they are needed most. Properly hydrated is absolutely crucial for survival, and that's where the Lifestraw Peak comes into play. This personal filter straw is a game changer, capable of turning any water source into a safe and drinkable one. Its cutting-edge hollow fiber membrane technology guarantees that you're consuming only clean and safe water, effectively filtering out an impressive 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria, protozoa and parasites, and even microplastics. What sets the Lifestraw Peak apart is its long-lasting carbon capsule. Not only does it improve the taste of the filtered water, but it also reduces the presence of chlorine and other chemicals. This additional feature ensures that the filtered water is not only safe but also more pleasant to drink, even if it originates from less than ideal sources. Foremost, for your primary outdoor shelter and relaxation spot, we introduce the Aeri Canopy. This canopy stands out as one of the premier options available on the market for your outdoor camping expedition. It is incredibly user-friendly and can be effortlessly set up by a single individual, making it ideal for solo adventurers. The accompanying rechargeable air pump guarantees swift and hassle-free inflation, sparing you from the manual effort. With its UPF 50+ rating, the Aeri canopy offers outstanding protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays, rendering it a crucial addition for those sunny days. Notably, its aerodynamic configuration not only enhances its visual allure but also bolsters its stability in windy conditions. Despite its remarkable features, it weighs a mere 17 pounds and boasts a compact design that facilitates easy portability. Additionally, it includes a zipline feature for an extra touch of excitement and adventure. The Aeri canopy not only excels in practicality but also in spaciousness, providing ample room for relaxation with your friends or family. You can further personalize your experience by selecting from 3 stylish colors: blue, orange, and gray, allowing you to match your personal style. And this concludes our list of the 5 mind-blowing camping gear and gadgets you must see. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.